Meaning of green roof.
Green roof.
Green roof.
Green roof.
Green roof. A green roof is a type of roof that's covered in vegetation, which can provide a variety of environmental and economic benefits. These benefits include reducing the urban heat island effect, improving air quality, reducing stormwater runoff, and providing insulation to reduce energy costs. Green roofs are typically installed on top of buildings and consist of several layers, including a waterproof membrane, growing medium, and vegetation. Depending on the type of vegetation chosen, a green roof may be a sedum roof, low-growing plants, or a rooftop garden with larger plants and even trees. Overall, green roofs are a sustainable and innovative way to utilize unused rooftop space.